There are so many projects to do around my house, especially outside, and when spring and summer come, we immediately start using the pool and don't have time to really do anything out there. So I'm prepping early this year and going to clean and put new fresh oil on my outdoor table and chair set. I bought these two pieces of furniture separately. So I bought the table from a friend and I bought the chairs, I think, from a thrift store, and put them together and coordinated them together, and we immediately started using them last year, and I didn't have time to clean them. So now we're gonna get that done the right way, and I did some YouTube searches and figured out the right way to clean the furniture, which is with the solution of TSP and laundry detergent and warm water, garden sprayer, give it a good scrub, and then oil it down with teak oil. We did all that. It's not quite as clean as I was hoping that it would come in the end, but it's going to be a great start for us to use for this entire season. And then if we really want to get into some details later on, we can always sand it all down. And that oil, you don't have to remove it, which is the big thing for me. I didn't want to do polyurethane because that's the kind of thing that when it goes on, if you want it to come back off or you need to redo what you just finished, you'll have to sand it and start all over, and I didn't want to do that. The other thing too is that polyurethane tends to yellow over time, and I just wanted something that would maintain the furniture outside so it could live outside and be protected from the elements. Scrubbing that furniture was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a really simple, just like the guy on YouTube made it look so easy. You just spray it on and rinse it off, but it just turns out that his furniture did not have nearly as much dirt on it as mine did. Mine had been sitting outside for years and years with the previous owner, had probably never been cleaned or oiled, and so now we're going to try to go back and like retroactively fix all of the, I don't know, restore her back to her original beauty, one small step at a time. I started off with the first coat using a soft rag to apply the oil, but this thing was in such terrible condition, it really needed a really heavy coat. So I actually ended up going back with a paintbrush and really getting a thick coat on there, rubbing it down with the soft cloth. And I think that that just created a better penetration for the oil since it's been neglected for so long. The chairs I bought are antique chairs. They're definitely indoor chairs, but I love them so much because of that barley twist leg that they have on them. The detail is just incredible and something you can't find right now in exterior furniture. And since I'm so passionate about my exterior furniture looking like my interior style, I knew that I had to find a way to make them last outside. And of course, they came with a regular fabric cushion on them, so I took that off and put the more marine grade vinyl on top that's gonna last through all the elements. And what I love the most about it is that it's such a small, inexpensive change. It only costs about $10 for all that fabric, and I had it left over. So if my style changes next year, I can always just uncover them and put a new cover on top. This is one project down. There's many, many more to go for our exterior space, but it definitely makes me feel accomplished that we're getting one step closer to being prepared for pool season.